In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an opening bank balance in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool for managing your business's finances, and getting started with an accurate opening balance is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your financial records. To begin, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for QuickBooks Online. Once you have your account set up, or if you already have one, head over to the QuickBooks Online website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your login details and proceed by clicking Continue. When prompted, enter your password and continue again, ensuring you carefully keep track of these details to avoid login issues in the future. Next, you'll want to select the company file that you'll be working with. This is important because you need to ensure that you're entering the balance into the correct set of company books. Once you've selected the appropriate file, go to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the Plus Create button, an integral feature of QuickBooks allowing you to access different transaction types. From the list, click on Journal Entry. This is where you'll input your bank's opening balance to ensure your QuickBooks records are accurate from the get-go. In the Journal Entry screen, begin by setting the journal entry date to the date when you are starting your record keeping in QuickBooks. This step is essential for maintaining chronological accuracy in your financial reports. Next, add a reference number like opening balance. This will serve as a helpful marker for this transaction, allowing you to easily identify it later if needed. For the debit entry, select your bank account from the account dropdown on the first line. Here, you'll enter the amount that represents your opening bank balance under the debits column. Make sure this figure accurately reflects your starting bank balance to prevent discrepancies in later reports. Following the debit entry, you'll need to create a credit entry to balance the transaction. On the second line, choose Opening Balance Equity from the account dropdown. You'll notice that the credits column should automatically show the same amount as the debits column, keeping your books balanced. To provide additional context for anyone reviewing the transaction later, include a description in the memo field, such as opening bank balance as of date. This is also a good place to note where the balance information came from, like a bank statement, ensuring that your records are transparent and well documented. Finally, once all details are entered and reviewed for accuracy, click on Save and Close to complete the process. By doing so, you've successfully entered an opening bank balance into QuickBooks Online, setting a solid foundation for precise financial tracking and peace of mind moving forward. Happy bookkeeping!